Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Bluetooth headphones audio stutter in Windows 11, 10. First method is disable all enhancements. Second method is change service settings. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.